Okay, I am back. It is Friday, October 10th, 2014. And I say let's make some money. Do some trading. Easy stuff. You can see the setup, everybody, on the chart for the code. Let's go short. Let's go short. Okay, just calculate my out just in case. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, I'm tired. I am tired. This one could be the big one. The big one. Really, this could be, we'll see what this turns into. You know, this could be a big trade here. But I need to sort of feel it out as we go along. Looking good so far. Just take a look at the code. And what we want to see is a continuation of code 1 short entries, which you can see on the C is that we got them. That's why I took it. Back to back entries. Okay, so in the interest of time, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I will come back shortly to give you the progression of this trade and ultimately, of course, the outcome. I may be able to hold this one for quite a bit here, or I may need to take another entry. You never know. But right now, I'm just following the code. Code is given 2 short entries. Now we're going to see if it's going to give a third. If it gives a third, it should drop out pretty much. I mean, it should drop down really good. I should be able to hold this. In fact, once it starts dropping, I'm going to go ahead and place a break-even stop on it. Just let it go. Let it go, break even, or 100 ticks. That's going to be my strategy. But I just want to see if there's going to be a third code 1 short entry or not. If there is, then it's good to go. I'm going to hold it. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, this is to see if it's going to drop out here. We got two solid code 1 short entries, and we're looking to see if we can get a third one. If we do, it should be good to go, and it should drop down pretty good and get going. I'll place a break-even stop at that point and let her go. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, I just got out right there. It's going back up right now, and I don't want to ride it back up. I will just take another entry into this if I get another setup. But right now, we got a code 1 long entry. So I'm just waiting for another setup now to take another position. Okay, I've taken another short position here. See if it's going to drop out. Just calculating my out just in case. Okay, got it. Okay, in the interest of time, let me come back. It's starting to come down a little bit here. Let's see. Count 1, 2. Looks like 3 short entries. Just 1 to go long. That's what got me out. But it only went up a little tiny bit. That's also another good sign that it's just going to go down, because the only long that there is didn't go up hardly at all. But all the shorts are going down. So it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. We're just going to be looking for more short entries here to do a continuation of the chart going down. So, in interest of time, I will come back and update you on this trade. Okay, it's moving down pretty good here. Looks like I got it. I got it. Code 2. Code 2. Reporting for code 2, please. The big drop. Here comes the big drop. Okay, so I'm just going to go for 100 ticks. I'm at 85.16, going down to 84.16. What does that put me? Oh, man. This could be a 200 tick day, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. 84.16 is 100 ticks. We're at 84.93 now. We'll see how it goes. This might be an easy and quick 100 ticks. Making money the easy way, my friends. Making money the easy way. And for all of you out there that I've been helping, you should be all over this trade because I've told you exactly what it's doing. You should be all over this trade with me right now, this morning. Okay, I'm going to get going. I'll come back and update you on this trade. But right now, I am holding strong, and I am not going to give up this position. The only way I'm going to is if it comes all the way back up, and But I seriously doubt that's going to happen. But you never know. You never know. I've seen weirder things happen before. But right now, I feel good about my position, and I am holding for 100 ticks. This will read 5,000. We're at 11:50 now. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's moving back up on me a little bit, and so I have placed a break-even stop at 85.15 just in case. If it wants to come back up on me here, I'm just going to break even on the trade, and I will take a re-entry again. So it's a way for me to, play it safe. I'm not going to play any games with this thing. I got a really good entry, and now it's wanting to come all the way back up again. So nobody ever said, this can get tricky sometimes. I'm just going to take another entry off of code 1. No problem. I'll be back. Okay, it's going down hard for the bottom here. Let's see if it's going to go break. It's going straight down. 85 is the break. I guess it wants to take a little breather here. Okay, I'll come back. Thought we were going to see some action. Okay, so it's moving down here. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 code 1 short entries, and we're seeing if we're going to get a 5th. If we get a 5th, it's going to go down hard. There it goes. We're going down. The easy way to make money. You just simply got to catch it going the right direction. You catch it going the right direction, you make lots of money. You catch it going the wrong direction, you lose lots of money. Just the exact opposite. Not rocket science, is it? Okay, I just got to make it down to 16 for 100 ticks. We're getting there. Getting closer and closer. And how can I do this? Code 2. I'm simply using code 2. Well, I'm using code 1 for the entry based upon a code 2 trait. Simple as that. And I'm teaching all of you how to do this, all of you code traders. You got the system, learning the code. You're seeing it for yourself every day. You're seeing me catch them. You know, if this wasn't early in the morning for me, I could do this every day very easily. Very easily. It's just that it comes so early, I don't like to wake up so early. But, then again, I've known the code for 8 years. I broke it 8 years ago. In 2006. I can't even believe it's been 8 years. I really can't. It's just time's gone by so fast. But I broke it 8 years ago, and I'm teaching it. I've been teaching it for a little over almost 5 years now. And now I'm demonstrating, showing it every day, and you know, now people can finally see that this is all real. Not some sort of a scam or anything like that. It's all real. So if you're listening to me right now and you're wondering whether you should get involved, well, it's up to you, of course, but I just want to say that what I'm telling you is the truth. There is a code. I discovered it, broke it. I built a trading strategy based upon it, and it works, and I'm showing that it works. There's no hocus pocus taking place. There's no screen editing or anything like that. It's just you're seeing what's happening every day. What time is it? 7:24. See how the clock is lined with the chart? I mean, you're seeing everything. You're seeing it tick back and forth as it ticks. Nobody could fake something like that. At least I certainly couldn't. So, anyway, I'm just holding. We got a little ways to go. We're getting close. That's going to read 5,000 soon. So how do you know that? I need to calculate something. I'll be right back. Okay, I just decided to close out the position right there because upon further calculation, I just calculated that it just went to the 100 ticks, just right there. Just right there. Went to 100 ticks. So my position wasn't as so good because my first position was good, but then I got out and then I got into a second position, wasn't so good. So if I would have taken the first position, I think I would have gotten 100 ticks, or I would have come really super close, like 95, something like that. And so right there, I just came about 80 or so. I think I just did about 80 ticks. So I decided to just jump out right there. Now for you Code 2 players, you should take a look at what I'm talking about, and you see that technically it just went to exactly 100 ticks. So I just decided, you know what? I'm just going to jump out right there, take the technical 100 that but it's 80 for me, and then just, call it a day. Because it's Friday, and I like to leave early now. I like to get going. Because what could happen is this thing may still go down further, but it may come up for a while. It may take another hour, 2 hours while it plays around up here for a while, and then finally goes down. I don't want to wait. It could even take 3 hours. I don't want to wait. So I just, had a nice run down. It dropped right there, right to 100, and then broke and just started going back up, and I just said, nah, just jump right out right there. Don't be afraid to do that. Don't ever get yourself stuck in a position because you just want to do a certain thing. You know, if you see, you can't plan for things, but I mean, if you just see something come up, like let's say you saw it go down hard into the code and then started to give a long entry, why not just jump out? You can always take entries into code 1, no matter where you are, where you're going. And code 1's working very good today. You just got to know what it is, but it's working really good. So anyway, as you can see, I'm showing this to you every day. It isn't rocket science. It does take a little practice, does take a little skill, a little knowledge. You've got me, the discoverer, inventor of this, developer of this, to help you, and you can learn how to do this yourself. Women who have never traded before in their life have been successful at this. Really super successful. So, you know, anybody puts their mind to it could probably do this. But the first thing you need to do is believe it. You're not going to put your mind to something that you don't believe. That's, don't you think? You first have to believe it. In order to believe it, you're going to have to see it. Because there's, you know, people out there that want to say, oh, it's a scam, it's a scam. Well, you can believe talk, or you can believe action. It's up to you. But, you know, as a scientist, I would advise you to believe action, not talk. Because talk is, anybody can talk. Anybody. Lots of people talk. In fact, most people lie. Most of what you're hearing is all lies. But it's pretty hard to show this and be lying about it, at least as far as I know. And especially to do it every day, day in and day out, like I'm doing. So anyway, I'm going to get going. It was an easy day, easy Friday, easy week, good week for me, good week for the code. You could see this isn't very hard, and you could do this too. So if you want to do it, jump on board. I'll help you, and you start doing this yourself. And these videos should be helping you code traders out there. They should be helping you a lot. Just watch what it is I'm doing and laugh to yourself and say, wow, this is easy. You know, it is. It is. Come on, it's easy. It's not hard. I mean, sometimes it can be difficult, like you've seen me struggle during the days. Now, what do I tell you to do? Just stop. Stop trading. Now do you see why I say that? It's because why do you want to sit there and struggle on a hard day? My other days are super easy. Don't even lose a trade. Didn't lose a trade yesterday. All three of them right. Haven't lost a trade this morning. I think I took 2 trades. Yeah, 2 trades, both of them winners. Easy. You know what I'm saying? These days, you don't have to worry about struggling because you're just not going to struggle. Don't turn a struggling day into a horribly losing day because you think you have to win. You don't. There's going to be days you're going to lose, and there's nothing you can do about it. Don't try to force the issue. Don't try to change that fact. Don't try to change that fact, because that is a fact, and it can never be changed. Nobody can change it. You will have losing days, period. Just make it a mathematical fact that you don't have, every losing day that you have isn't some huge losing day. And you'll just learn one secret to trading. One secret to mathematics. Okay, I'm going to get going. Have a good weekend out there, traders. And I'll be back next week to do more trading and to teach you more about trading and using the codes and showing you that this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Maybe even better. So anyway, I will see you guys next week. Take care and happy trading out there.